Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Indonesia, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, let's go. And step one, open description and click on link Voyafly eSim and open voyafly.com and write this in the click on this. Open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed and choose speed plan light plus or premium and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on this and write discount code ROAM tips, this discount code in the description video, and the service number 1 for eSIM in the world, and click on Google Pay or write email payment and write billing address and click on buy now, and you buy eSIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.